Thank you. There was another hearing over evidence in the case of Jasmine Pace's murder today.
Yeah, the defense attorney for Jason Chen had filed another motion to suppress evidence in the case, similar to another motion in August. In that motion, the defense wanted some evidence thrown out because of what they said were illegal searches of Chen's apartment.
At that hearing, the judge decided that the evidence did not satisfy legal requirements for suppression. News Channel 9's Maggie Weaver was at the courthouse today, and she has more on what Chen's attorney was trying to argue this time. Maggie.
Josh, Kim, I was in the courtroom for hours today as Jason Chen's attorney made his case in Hamilton County Criminal Court. And that's as they pushed to suppress that evidence found in Jasmine Pace's murder case. Now, we told you previously how Jasmine Pace's mother had entered Chen's apartment to search for her daughter who went missing back in November of 2022. Chen's attorney argues that because that search was, quote, tainted, almost all the evidence that was gathered after that should be, quote, void. Now, this is the third hearing in this case just detailing the request to suppress that evidence. In July, a judge denied a portion of that request, and then today they continued making their case and questioned witnesses. Chen's attorney says that search warrants that were taken out based on the mother's questionable searches, and he says that that evidence led them to track Chen's location.
Did you rely on the defendant's cell phone records, I guess?
No, his actual phone records didn't even have him going there. At first, I don't know if it's due to turning the phone airplane mode or potentially just not receiving any type of data or phone calls at the time. Ultimately, the victim's phone led us to Walmart.
Judge Patterson described this motion today as, quote, complex, and said that each hearing is taking the defense's request step by step. Ultimately, he denied the motion to suppress that evidence. Now, tonight at 6, I'll have more on the specific evidence that Chen's attorney wanted to suppress and why, as well as how those witnesses responded. Josh.
Maggie, thank you. Jason Chen's trial is set to begin in January of next year.